How do you survive the world's toughest race? What kind of machine can withstand the merciless deserts of Saudi Arabia and emerge victorious? Welcome to the 2025 Dakar Rally, where 134 motorcycles built for pure endurance and speed line up to battle the impossible. The engines roar and the desert calls. Who will conquer it? Imagine the starting line, a spectrum of colors and designs, the mechanical symphony of idling engines, a result of months of preparation. But this isn't a homogeneous field. The motorcycles of the Dakar are stratified into classes, each reflecting a different approach to tackling this monumental challenge. At the sharp end are the gladiators of the Rally GP class, factory-backed prototypes packed with cutting-edge technology. Hot on their heels are the determined privateers of Rally 2, often piloting highly modified production machines. And then there are the amazing riders of the original bimodal class, the true adventurers, relying on their own skills and the robust simplicity of their chosen steeds. Let's discuss the sexy bacon of the Rally GP class, the motorcycles representing the pinnacle of Dakar engineering. Take, for instance, the Honda CRF 450 Rally. This isn't a showroom model with a few stickers. It's a purpose-built machine conceived solely for the rigors of the Dakar. Beneath the carefully crafted carbon fiber bodywork lies a high-revving 450cc single-cylinder engine, often featuring a 4-valve DOHC configuration for optimal breathing and power delivery. Honda engineers carefully mapped the electronic fuel injection, allowing for micro-adjustments to fuel and ignition timing based on a constant stream of data from onboard sensors, altitude, air temperature, throttle position, even lean angle. The suspension is a symphony of precision engineering, typically utilizing long-travel inverted forks from Showa or Kayaba, featuring advanced hydraulic damping circuits with separate high and low-speed compression and rebound adjustability. This allows the team to fine-tune the suspension response to the specific demands of each stage. The rear suspension employs a Pro-Link system, designed to offer a progressive damping curve, absorbing small bumps while still being able to handle massive impacts without bottoming out harshly. The frame, often constructed from lightweight aluminum alloys, is engineered for optimal stiffness and precise handling at high speeds across brutal terrain. Integrated within the rider's view is a complex navigation array, combining GPS data with traditional roadbook scrolls, providing turn-by-turn directions across hundreds of unmarked kilometers. Fuel capacity is paramount, with tanks often exceeding 30 liters, carefully shaped to maintain a low center of gravity. Riders like Adrian Van Beveren and Pablo Quintanilla rely on this fusion of power and precision. Now, let's take a look at the unmistakable orange of the KTM 450 Rally Factory, which signifies the legacy of Dakar dominance. While sharing the 450cc single-cylinder configuration, KTM's engine philosophy often leans towards a slightly different bore and stroke ratio compared to Honda, potentially influencing the engine's torque characteristics. KTM engineers place a significant emphasis on engine reliability, employing advanced coatings and materials to minimize wear and tear under extreme conditions. WP Suspension, a subsidiary of KTM, provides the forks and rear shock, their interval valving and spring rates carefully tuned through countless hours of testing. KTM often utilizes a chromium molybdenum steel trellis frame, renowned for its strength and predictable handling feedback, particularly in high-speed desert sections. Cooling systems are carefully designed, often incorporating dual radiators and strategically placed air scoops to maximize airflow. The lubrication system is a dry sump design, ensuring consistent oil delivery even under extreme lean angles and during hard landings. Former champion Kevin Benavides and the exceptionally fast Daniel Sanders will be leveraging the proven performance of these machines. The emergence of the Hero 450 Rally signals a determined challenge to the established order. While specific technical details are often closely guarded, Hero's engineering approach involves strategic collaborations and a focus on building a robust and rider-centric platform. Their 450cc single likely features advanced engine management systems to optimize fuel efficiency and power delivery across the varied Dakar landscape. Suspension components are carefully selected to balance performance with the endurance demands of the rally, potentially incorporating high-quality components from European suppliers. The chassis geometry is designed for stability at high speeds while retaining the agility needed for technical sections. Ross Branch, carrying the weight of the number 1 plate, will be pushing this increasingly sophisticated machine to its limits. Even Sherco's 450 SE factory rally bike takes on a focused engineering spirit. Their 450cc single is known for its responsive power delivery, often achieved through a carefully optimized intake and exhaust system. Sherco frequently goes for premium suspension components, with meticulous attention paid to the fine-tuning of damping characteristics to provide riders with precise feedback and control over challenging terrain. The frame design emphasizes nimble handling, crucial for navigating tight and technical sections. While perhaps not possessing the same sheer resources as the larger manufacturers, Sherco's engineering team focuses on meticulous preparation and a deep understanding of the demands of rally racing. Lorenzo Santolino and his fellow Sherco riders appreciate the balanced performance of these machines. But beyond engine displacement and suspension travel, what subtle aerodynamic refinements, such as fairing design and rider ergonomics and advanced electronics, like traction control and selectable engine maps, differentiate the Rally GP bikes and contribute to their competitive edge in the Dakar? Aerodynamics play an increasingly crucial role, even in off-road racing. The fairings of Rally GP bikes are carefully sculpted in wind tunnels to minimize drag at high speeds, improving top-end performance and fuel efficiency. Rider ergonomics are also paramount, with the handlebar, seat, and foot peg positioning carefully optimized for comfort and control during long stages. Advanced electronics are integral, with sophisticated traction control systems preventing wheel spin on loose surfaces and selectable engine maps allowing riders to adjust power delivery based on the terrain, from aggressive maps for fast sections to smoother maps for technical areas. Data acquisition systems also play a vital role, allowing teams to monitor engine performance, suspension behavior, and other critical parameters, enabling them to make informed decisions about setup and maintenance. The Rally 2 class showcases the art of calculated performance. Often privateer-funded or supported by smaller teams, these riders typically pilot motorcycles based on production enduro models, but extensively modified for the unique demands of the Dakar. The KTM 450 EXC-F remains a popular choice. Lauded for its robust engine architecture and relative ease of maintenance, a critical factor for riders with limited support. Modifications are extensive, including the addition of high-capacity fuel tanks, often fabricated from lightweight aluminum or composite materials, significantly extending their range. Suspension upgrades are common, with riders often opting for aftermarket forks and shocks from brands like WP, Öhlins, or Rieger, carefully valved and sprung to handle the increased weight and the brutal impacts of the Dakar. Navigation equipment is a must, with riders mounting roadbook readers and GPS units, often powered by auxiliary batteries. Engine protection is also a priority, with bash plates and frame guards safeguarding vital components from rocks and debris. Honda's CRF 450X and Yamaha's WR 450F also see significant representation, each offering a reliable platform for Dakar preparation. Riders in this class become adept at balancing performance upgrades with the need for durability and maintainability. Harith Noah, the reigning Rally 2 champion, exemplifies the skill and resourcefulness of this category. Given the less sophisticated electronics on many Rally 2 bikes compared to Rally GP, how do these riders compensate through their riding technique and bike setup to maintain competitive speeds and navigate challenging terrain effectively? Rally 2 riders often rely more heavily on their riding skills and a deep understanding of their motorcycle's capabilities. Precise throttle control, expert clutch manipulation, and weight shifting become crucial for maintaining traction and momentum. Bike setup is carefully tailored to their individual riding style and the anticipated terrain, with careful adjustments to suspension clickers and tire pressures making a significant difference. They develop a heightened sense of feel for the bike, anticipating traction loss and adjusting their riding accordingly. Navigational skill is also utmost, as they may not have access to the same level of sophisticated GPS technology as the factory teams. The original bimodal class represents the purest form of the Dakar Challenge, man and machine against the elements without any outside assistance. Motorcycle selection often prioritizes ruggedness and simplicity above outright performance. Older KTM Enduro models, renowned for their robust construction and relatively straightforward mechanics, are common choices. Husqvarnas, sharing similar engineering DNA with KTM, also feature prominently. Even some heavily modified Japanese dual sport bikes like the Honda XR 650R or Suzuki DR Z400, known for their bulletproof reliability, make an appearance. Modifications are typically focused on enhancing durability and self-sufficiency. Reinforced subframes to carry extra fuel and water, heavy-duty skid plates, and simplified wire harnesses are common. Riders in this class are skilled mechanics, carrying a carefully curated selection of tools and spare parts to perform essential repairs on their own. Benjamin Malat, Javi Vega, and Emmanuel Guillenes embody the spirit of this demanding and deeply respected category. Considering the technological disparity, could the intimate mechanical knowledge required of original bimodal riders, coupled with the inherent simplicity of their machines, provide a unique advantage in terms of problem solving and adaptability in the unpredictable environment of the Dakar? The deep mechanical understanding possessed by modal riders is a significant asset. They can often diagnose and repair problems that might sideline a rider more reliant on electronic diagnostics or team support. The simplicity of their machines can also be an advantage, with fewer complex systems to fail. Their ability to improvise repairs with limited resources, utilizing ingenuity and resourcefulness, can be crucial in overcoming unforeseen challenges in the remote and unforgiving landscapes of the Dakar. This intimate connection with their machine and the skills honed through necessity offer a unique form of resilience. As the 2025 Dakar Rally ignites, remember the incredible spectrum of engineering and unwavering human spirit represented by these motorcycles and their determined riders. From the technological marvels of the Rally GP to the rugged, self-sufficient machines of the original bimodal class, each bike embodies a distinct approach to confronting the ultimate off-road odyssey. Prepare for another captivating chapter in the legendary Dakar story.